Everlast Advanced Composite Siding is seriously one of the best choices if you want a low-maintenance, durable, and great-looking exterior for your home, So, if you're thinking about upgrading your siding, here's the scoop. Everlast siding is made from a mix of materials that makes it super strong and resistant to stuff like rot, insects, and cracking. First off, make sure you pick a style and color that actually matches your home's vibe because it comes in a bunch of options. When installing, it's really important to follow the manufacturer's instructions closely or get a pro to help since it needs proper fastening and spacing to avoid problems down the road. Cleaning Everlast siding is easy. Just use water and mild soap. No harsh chemicals needed, which saves you time and effort. Also, keep an eye on the seams and edges each season to catch any gaps or damage early before they turn into bigger issues. If you want to boost energy efficiency, pair your siding with good insulation behind it. Remember, one big perk is that this siding doesn't need painting or staining, so you can forget about that yearly chore. Lastly, always check local building codes and maybe get a permit before starting so you don't run into trouble. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Everlast Advanced Composite Siding is not installing it correctly, like using wrong fasteners or not leaving enough space for expansion, which causes warping or buckling. Fix this by following installation guides or hiring experienced contractors. Another common issue is neglecting regular inspections, especially after storms. You want to spot cracks or loose panels early so water does not sneak in and cause damage. A third mistake is trying to clean it with pressure washers or harsh chemicals, which can mess up the finish. Stick to gentle soap and water and use a soft brush or cloth instead. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners who want to connect with trusted local contractors that actually know how to work with materials like Everlast siding. For contractors, it helps get their name out there and find steady gigs from people who need quality work done without the hassle.